Greetings and welcome back to Pink Odd Bird. Today, what I'm here with is a design team project, and I am using the digital kit by Calico Collage. It is called Sunny Mornings. I have 3 journals here. I will link to you all of the information in the description box below so you can be sure to check that out, because this is like my favorite kit, literally, like right now. And I love it. It's so bright and fun, and it's perfect for summertime, I think. And let's go ahead and take a look. All right, as you can see, I have 3 journals completed here. They're all 8.5 by 5.5, and they're pretty much mostly the same. This is just how they look. I'm going to only flip through one because they, like I said, are mostly the same, have the same elements. It's a pamphlet stitch there. Got some lace, some sari silk, just some fabrics, a couple of bead paperclip charms. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this one. As I said, 8.5 by 5.5. On the front, I just did a little bit of collaging. They all are fabric covers, and they each have 2 of tags that I made out of the digital kit pages from the kit. I have a video that I did previously where I showed you how you can use digital kit pages to make tags. So I will link to that in the description box below as well. So these are 2 tags from pages of the kit. There's some little random stitching, etc. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. So this is a journaling tag that I got. I won this from J9 Scraps, and I just used some distress crayons to match the colors that are in the book. I haven't used any outside images. All of the images in the kit all of the images in the book come from the kit, and this is not even the full kit. I believe that I will be doing one more sunflower book that is going to go into my shop, and I will be using the entire kit. It is an extremely packed and robust kit. I'm telling you guys, check it out. All right, so we have a little journaling card here in this little burlap pocket. I did a little decoupaging there. So plenty of space to write in this book. Some lace at the top there. This is one of the tags that you were able to see me make in the video that I was describing just before. And a journaling card from the kit. Some vintage gardening pages. I love this page. Some of the same fabric from the cover. So here, this is one of the ephemera pieces from the kit. And then I've just paper clipped that to, they all have different book pages in them. So these are like just some old book pages with some really pretty illustrations on them. Beautiful postcards. Now this is one of the original tags that comes with the kit, and as you can see, these are large tags, which I love so much. So much. I just love this kit so much. I can't get enough of it. I did some floral stamping in here to match along with the theme. Some graphic 45 paper here. I love this little guy. Sitting on like a sunflower or something. That's the center. It's a tuck spot. Another one of those tags that I made. Vintage book page. Like I said, these books are meant to be to be written in, really for memory keeping. However, you can use it however you want, so don't feel obligated to only write in it. But I love these tags. They're almost like huge journaling tags because you see she's added the lines to those there. one of these days I'll be a good stamper, you guys. One of these days. One of these good old-fashioned days. This is one of my tags that I made with the lace at the top and the little burlap pockets with the cute little ephemera tickets that she's included. So beautiful. And another G45 and a postcard. I have done a guest design team project for Calico Collage before, but this is my actual first official design team project with her. So thank you, Norilla, for having me on board with your team. There are a lot of super talented creators on your team, so I'm happy to be a part of that for sure. And here's my stamp. So that's going to wrap it up. Like I said, these are all pretty similar, so I'm not going to flip through all of them, but you get the gist of it. So that's these three. So I'm going to go ahead and go. Be sure to stay tuned because you never know what direction this odd flock of ours is heading into. And until next time, toodaloo.